channel. So today's video is this yellow orange eye makeup look that matches my outfit. This is a makeup look for Navratri and for Durga Puja. You can also create this look for Diwali, for Karwachauth as well. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. And before that, if you haven't yet subscribed, press the bell icon. And yeah, now let's just get into the video. I have already prepped my lips with this Maybelline Baby Lips Lip Balm. Now I'm going to apply moisturizer, and for moisturizer I am using Clinique Surge Moisturizer. Now I'm going to use my most favorite primer, that is the L'Oreal Paris Base Shake Primer. Now I'm going to fill in my brows, and for that I am using this eyebrow pencil from Etude House, and I will be using this sleek part. Now I'm going to use my Nykaa eyeshadow kit, and I am going to mix these two colors and I will apply it on my eyebrows. I have filled in my brows. Now I am going to use color corrector to correct my under eye dark circles and pigmentation. For my foundation, I am using this Nykaa Skin Genius. Now I am going to use this Maybelline face powder to set my T-zone. Now I am going to take my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I am going to take this shade first. I am going to apply it on my crease. Now I am going to use this shade. Now I am going to use the first fluffy brush that I use, and I am going to blend these two shades. Now I am going to use this brush and split some water. Now I am going to pick up this shade. Using this fluffy brush, I am going to blend this orange shade. Now I am taking this Nykaa eyeshadow palette, and I am going to use this shimmery shade on the inner corners of my eyes and on the brow bone. And now I am going to use this kajal on my lower lash line. I applied my eyelashes and mascara offline. Miss Claire's eyeshadow pot, and I am going to use it as my contour today. I am going to take this shade from Miss Claire's eyeshadow pot. I am going to use this as my blush today. I am going to use this Lakme Iconic Mascara on my lower lash. I am going to take the same shade as I took to highlight my inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. Now I will be taking the same shade to highlight the high points of